So the question of the day is, how do you like your Eichler atriums? Original, enclosed, or partially covered? If you ever wanted to start a fiery debate with Eichler homeowners or enthusiasts, this is a great topic to discuss. So let's dive in, and please share your thoughts and opinions on this matter. First, a little background. Atriums in mid-century modern Eichler homes are a unique feature that truly set them apart from most other styles of homes. While not all Eichler homes have them, atriums are a prized feature that almost everyone loves. The question, though, is what to do with this open-air courtyard-style atrium space if your Eichler home has an atrium. So let's get into it. The most common approach, and the approach Eichler purists would definitely endorse, is to simply leave the space as is and simply enjoy it. Simply leave the atrium as is, enjoy the natural, open-air environment which exemplifies the indoor-outdoor feel that Joseph Eichler and his progressive architects sought to achieve when building these homes originally. The second, and candidly, the most controversial approach is to completely enclose the atrium on an Eichler home. Homeowners who enclose their atrium often cite two key reasons for why they enclosed it. First is to create more living space. Second is to protect themselves from the elements. By enclosing an atrium, homeowners can effectively extend their living room, family room, dining room, or simply create more livable space for their family and guests. Additionally, by closing off the open-air atrium, homeowners can prevent cold air or precipitation from entering during the cold months, while also keeping the space cooler during the summer months. Now, the third approach, which is kind of a fun one, is a little bit more versatile, and we're seeing it more often, and that's to partially cover the atrium. And you can do this in two ways. One is with a non-fixed cover, such as a sailcloth or a sunshade, and the second is with a more fixed solution. And the least expensive option is to actually just use a sailcloth. And honestly, that is what we chose to do at our home. Sailcloths and architectural sailcloths are very easy to put up. They can be designed to any size based on your specific needs and how you would like it laid out. And while they won't keep precipitation out, they definitely provide some UV protection and prevent a lot of sun from infiltrating your home as well as the atrium. And they can also look really cool while doing so. The more expensive approach is to install a movable cover, such as a roll-o-matic roof, which can be open or closed simply with the touch of a button. While the installation costs are quite high, Eichler homeowners have told us that recently they've gotten quotes in the $60,000 to $70,000 range. For a typical Eichler, what you get with this is maximum versatility. During those amazing California weather days, you can push a button, open the roof, and enjoy the natural light and ventilation of an open-air atrium. When the weather transitions or when you're seeking more privacy or security, you can simply push a button to enclose the space completely. How great is that? So let's hear it. How do you like your Eichler atriums? Original, enclosed, or partially covered? We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Please let us know, comment below, or simply visit us at Eichler For Sale as well as our YouTube channel for more information about Eichler atriums and other features that really make these homes unique.